This is a brief video on how to set up your canopy metal frame pool. Setting up this pool requires 2 or more people. Make sure the ground is level, compact, flat, firm, and free of debris. Always check your local regulations for any additional setup and fencing requirements. Take out all the parts from the box and check with the manual that you have all of the parts listed. Next, attach the T-joint to the vertical leg, and then attach leg cap. Unfold the pool liner face up. Insert the horizontal beams into pool liner sleeve. Connect horizontal beams into T-joints. Assemble the horizontal in one direction. Spread out the canopy with the loops facing up. Connect the sprayer nozzle and 6-way connector. Place the 6-way connector in the center of the canopy. Insert the canopy rods through the canopy loops. Insert the rods into the 6-way connector. Insert the J-shaped poles into the hole on the T-joint. Place the canopy over the pool. Pull the J-shaped pole out from the T-joint. Insert the J-shaped pole through loops on the canopy. Insert the J-shaped rod into the canopy rod. Reinsert J-shaped rod into the hole in the T-joint. Secure the canopy ropes to T-joint and secure with the buckle. Connect the sprayer hose to a garden hose and slowly turn on the hose water. Turn the sprayer nozzle left or right to adjust. Rotate the pool so that the drain faces away from the house. Ensure the drain valve is securely tightened. Fill with water and enjoy. Place the pool safety sign in a visible location. Before getting in the pool, please go through the pool safety checklist.